We're going to show you right now how to assemble and how to disassemble a machine. Juki MO6743 or any other saw overlocks which is similar to the same building it or taking it apart. So you're going to need a drill as you see over here, and you need a crescent wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. To take it apart is to remove the belt from the moto as you see over here. It's a servo moto brushless by Atlas. You remove the cup, the cover, and then you tilt the machine, release the chain over here, tilt the machine over, and you take the belt off. So the belt is off, and all you gotta do next is you pull the machine up, and easy release coming up. So that's one part, and this is going to go back to the box whatsoever. And the next one is we're not going to take out the base or anything else. We're going to take the thread stands out, which is one nut on the bottom. And this is how it goes when you tied it from the bottom. The next one, we're gonna remove the lights because they have to go in the box. Simple as it is. Next one, I'm going to tilt it over, as you see over here. We're going to release the piston rod, will come out. And then what you need to do to release that box, unscrew each one of them. Each one have their own socket. We'll take it out. All right, and now take the drill, one, two, and with the next move, what we're gonna do, we're gonna release the 3 screws on the moto. It's one over here, 2 and 3 which holding this moto, and couple screws holding the clutch. What you're going to do next is releasing 3 screws to take the moto out. One is over here, and then you have 2 more in the bottom. And what you do is the motor come right out. You see the 3 screws holding it, and you're gonna disconnect those little nails and everything come out. Then after, we're gonna take the screws from the legs. Then you're gonna take the screws out from the legs over here. One. You're gonna take the 4 screws out from the legs. Okay, so let's see, you got the 4 screws out. The next step is to be taking wrench and release this. 2 screws and nuts this side, 2 screws and nut the other side right here, and then the second bracket you're gonna release over here also. 2 screws and nuts, 2 screws and nuts, and the other side the same. Screws from the legs on the bottom, you just can remove the tabletop, which is very easy then. As you see over here, this is your tabletop. And the shooter is holding with 2 screws, which you're going to put it. We're going to take this out so it don't break. There's 2 screws here. And the bottom screws. As you see over here. So 2 screws holding this way. 2 screws here, same thing the other way. We have the same technique with 2 screws, 2 nuts, and you can put it together. And this is going to be 1 piece, 2. So when you assemble it together, you can put it upside down this way, and just take the bracket, put it over here. It's easy to put it together. That's the way it is. That's how it goes.